Today I'm going to show you how to make Guyanese traditional Pinetart. The ingredients we're going to use is 1 pineapple chopped up, half teaspoon of salt, half cup of butter, 2 cups of flour, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a cup of shortening. We're going to start by using 2 cups of flour with half teaspoon of salt, butter, then lastly add the crisp. Now I'm going to start by using a fork to knead this dough. So now that this pastry is nice and flaky and is well combined with all the ingredients, I'm going to start by mixing it with some cold water that I just got from the freezer. What I did is that I formed a nice big ball. So now that I finished kneading the dough, I'm gonna plastic wrap this. Leave it in the fridge to cool for about 1 hour. So now that the dough is cooling off in the fridge, I'm gonna start by making the jam. Add 1 pineapple chopped up. We don't add any water to this because pineapple are usually juicy. Now we're gonna pour this into the pot. Now we are going to put this blended pineapple on the stove to boil to make the jam. I'm gonna add 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 tablespoons of sugar to boil this. So you have to boil this pine jam until it gets really thick. So I'm gonna roll this dough that just came out from the fridge. I'm gonna use a butter dish to mark this out. I'm gonna lap this way, lap this the other way. Bring this in, and there you have your Pinetart. So here I have is a egg yolk with yellow coloring mixed up. Now I'm gonna paint these Pinetart to make it look nice and yellow. So now we're gonna put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350. Know that the Pinetart is baked for 20 minutes. Let me take this out. Now we're gonna put this in to broil for about 1 minute. So now that the Pinetart is nicely brown, has this nice golden brown color, I'm gonna take it out. Make sure you subscribe to see more videos just like this one. Yummy.